Okay, up on the bench is a Hermes Rocket vintage typewriter made in Switzerland. All the mechanics work, the paper advance works, all the keys move smoothly as they should. Haven't actually tried typewriting anything with the ribbon because, you know, that's just sort of the way it is with these older machines. Oh, yeah, that key, that's not a number key. So, okay, so all the different functions work, all the keys work. The knobs are in pretty good shape. This is a seafoam green machine. It's in that seafoam green case. I don't know if it's a plastic or a fiberglass. I think it's a fiberglass. The two aluminum nubs on the feet are intact. The handle is in good shape. Some of the ridges on the handle are still visible. The unit unfortunately has a small ding here in the back, right there on the corner. It looks like it has been dropped or fallen off a table. So it's not perfect, but it is in pretty good shape. It almost certainly can be fixed. Or the case looks like it's made out of aluminum sheet. So a good sheet metal worker should be, or a good metal worker should be able to straighten that out for you. It's not too hard, or it gives it character. Again, the rubber feet on the bottom are in good shape. You can see it's mostly full of dings, or mostly free of dings. And here is the maker's mark, so to speak. So we'll go ahead and get some pictures of this. And we'll get a picture like this here. Oops, pop the camera in the video. Okay. Again, this is a Hermes Rocket vintage typewriter made in Switzerland. In a seafoam green clamshell case. All the parts are intact. And again, we'll get some pictures of it right there. And then finally, one last picture of the unfortunate corner piece there that's less than an ideal condition. But that is just the way it goes with these vintage units. It means it was really used. This unit was really used, obviously, and probably really dropped off a desk. That's the way it goes. Probably really used by a real reporter. This is a 1950s laptop is what we like to call it. This is a laptop from the 1950s, and probably was used by a real reporter covering some urgent story about something, maybe in some foreign land. Maybe this was used by Will Lee, Agent Lee of Interzone Incorporated. Maybe we don't know, you know. It's not a Clarke Nova, but it may have in fact been briefly in the possession of Agent Lee from Interzone. So there is your Hermes Rocket typewriter.